MissCarly. So today we're gonna get inspired by this gorgeous red magenta ombre wig right here from DonaLove Hair. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So let's just take a gorgeous look at this very unique wig. And I chose this wig because I have never seen anything really like this with the tone. And look at this gorgeous like magenta bottom. It is so striking. I absolutely love it. And I'm just talking about the actual like top of the wig right here, just the beginning of the ombre. As you can see, it's multi-strand dimensional with the magenta, with the reddish, with the black brown. It's all in there and it is just gorgeous and just flows into this just vibrant saturated color down here. And then as you can see, she does have some very long layers, which is really nice. She's gonna have like a really nice like sweeping kind of effect with it. She has a nice volume to her. She's actually pretty thick too, so she feels really good and easy to thin out or do whatever you'd like to your wig. Let's just talk about the construction very quickly. So she does have light lace, as you can see right here. And then instead of like a 2.5 inch parting like a usual wig, she just has like a full, probably 2 inches from ear to ear. So she has 2 clips right here on the side, and then she has 1 clip right here in the back. And then she does have a medium size cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. And then what's also very interesting, if you saw my purple wig video I did right here, is that this wig also has a little widow's peak, which is very interesting. And I myself have little widow's peak too, so it's actually really kind of fun that it'll just, you know, fall right in that spot. What I do really like about this brand is that they actually always come in these cute little like Tiffany blue boxes, like really, really pretty for you to store your wig. And then also, this wig does come with a detangling brush, which is really cool. And it does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you're ready to go. The winner of this wig will naturally get everything that came in the box. So I'll be using a wig cap that I have in nude that I got from Amazon. I really like these wig caps. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. And I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at the hairline really quickly. She actually doesn't look bad, but of course, since she does have very dark roots and whatnot, definitely plucking her out would probably be best for you. But you know, if you already have very dark hair, this may just like blend in really beautifully. And of course, as you can see a little bit more, that widow's peak right here. Now I'm gonna take my pair of scissors and we're just gonna take this lace off so we can see what we're working with. And wow, here she is. Isn't she gorgeous? So let me just stand up really quickly so you can see where she's at. It says 24 inches, and most likely if she was maybe like the longest pieces right here, yes, are 24, but majority of the hair is probably laying around 22 inches or so. I am just loving this so very much. Wow. All right, so let's take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. All right, and she did have very minimal shedding, as you can see here from brushing her. That's fantastic. All right, so this is such an interesting wig. Like I said, I've never seen a wig like this before. I love it. All right, so let's actually do a little flipping and flip her on the kind of the parting on the left eyebrow, which is my usual eyebrow. So let's just see what kind of look she's gonna give. And this is very pretty. Definitely a light little sweep over. This is gorgeous. Now let's see if she gives a different look on the other side. Okay, and this side I feel is just about the exact same kind of gorgeous look. And then one thing I noticed from flipping her around is that the widow's peak was just kind of like popping up a little bit. So if you do want to, of course, keep her down, I don't know where my yellow spray went, but using the Got To Be, either, of course, this gel right here, or using the spray would be the holy grail of keeping your wigs down, or just certain parts of the wig. This wig just has such a kind of sultry, sexy, you know, vivacious, vixen kind of vibe. What do you guys think about this? Now, the moment you've been waiting for, how to win this wig. So what I need you to do is in the comments down below is post this emoji down below, and that will enter you in how to win this wig. And of course, all the rules are down below on how to win this wig, and I will announce the winner 1 week from the day of this being posted. This wig is from DonaLove Hair. Do check it out, and of course, definitely check out their website. They have a lot of different wigs that I have never seen on any other platform, so it's very exciting. Again, let me know if you have new wigs from this company, or if you have this wig. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this red magenta ombre wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and win it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.